In the previous lectures, we learned about important elements for the head element. We can also add other meta tags and links in the head element as needed. For instance, we can include tags like meta keywords, author, rating, copyright, language, and more. But remember, these tags are not as important as the ones we covered earlier. You can choose to ignore these tags and only use them on specific pages when necessary. Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, let's start with the meta keywords tag. The meta keywords tag used to be important for describing keywords for search engine optimization. However, most search engines now ignore this tag, which makes it less important. In fact, overusing the meta keywords tag can even have a negative impact on your ranking. Okay, while this tag can inform search engines about important keywords on your page, it's important to know that Google doesn't use it. However, other search engines might still consider it, so it could be useful for SEO strategies outside of Google. Also, using the meta keywords tag can help you keep track of the keywords you're targeting on different pages of your website. Okay, let's add the meta keywords in our page. As always, we add the void meta tag. For the name attribute, we use keywords. And for the content attribute, we put the relevant keywords for our page content. In this case, let's use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, tutorial. Alright, let's talk about the author meta tag. The author meta tag helps identify the person responsible for creating the web page content. It adds credibility and transparency, letting users know who is behind the information they are reading. By including the author meta tag, you provide clear attribution that builds trust and connects with your audience. This tag is specifically useful when multiple authors contribute to a website or when guest authors are involved. It ensures proper recognition and gives credit where it's due, which is important for collaborative content platforms like articles and blog posts. Okay, search engines also take note of the author meta tag. While it may not directly impact search engine rankings, it can indirectly influence search results. For example, Google may use authorship information to display rich snippets in search results, increasing the visibility and credibility of your content. Okay. To add this tag in our page, we use author for the name attribute and emo for the content attribute. Alright, the next meta tag is the rating. The rating meta tag is used for websites with sensitive or age-specific content. It helps website owners define the maturity level of their content, like adult material or violent language. By using the rating meta tag, website owners can guide users and search engines about their content, making the online environment safer. Okay, to add this tag, we use rating for the name, and for the content, we can put one of these values. In our case, let's put general. Alright, let's explain a few more meta tags briefly. The copyright meta tag is used to indicate that the photos and text on your website are protected. For the name attribute, use copyright. And for the content attribute, specify the name of the company that holds the copyright. The language meta tag is used to specify the language of your website. It helps indicate in which language your content is presented. Alright, there are many other meta tags that you can use on your web pages. To explore all of them, you can check the link provided in the description. Okay, done. See you soon.